At Oasis Life, our specialty is cash value insurance known as an IUL. This insurance is designed to be used while you're alive. It grows rapidly with compound interest, zero taxes,
and a 0% floor guarantees no losses during market volatility.
Furthermore, all our brokers are independent fiduciaries who look out for you, not some insurance company.
As independent agents, we are able to find the right insurer who has exactly the product that suits your needs.
And in time, you'll have an equity line even greater than the amount you put in. Our mandate is to protect your family, prepare your retirement, and help you leave a legacy of a life well lived.
The time to prepare is now.
Click below to find out more about the IUL. You'll be glad you did.